So friends, we have arrived at Nainital today. It is an old town and you can see very old buildings here. We are moving on the main mall road here, which is the central place of Nainital. In the month of May, right in the afternoon, the weather is still very pleasant and you can see locals and tourists bustling around. It is the headquarter of the Nainital District in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand in northern India. Popular hill stations in northern India at an elevation of around 6,800 feet above sea level. It is a very well planned place with good markets, cinema hall, restaurants, hotels and guest houses. The prime center of attraction is the Naini Lake. It is a freshwater lake in pear shape, about 100 feet deep with a length of about 1.4 kilometers and width around 500 meters. It is fed primarily by underground springs and surface runoff from surrounding hills. The lake was once home to abundant fish and bird species. Efforts continue for ecological conservation. The lake is surrounded by high mountains like Naini Peak, around 2,600 meter high, Diopatha Peak and Ayapata Hill. The lake is divided into two zones, Malital, northern side, and Talital, southern side. While we are boating, we are also enjoying the bright sun and a soothing breeze with temperature around 18 degrees Celsius. Naini Lake is more than just a water body. It's the soul of a town, a muse for poets, and a retreat for weary city souls. With misty mornings, glittering reflections of starlit skies, and scenic boat rides, Naini Lake is one of the most captivating tourist attractions in Uttarakhand. Believe me, investing your time here is just a divine experience. You seem to be lost in the genuine beauty of nature. The water, often glimmering with shades of blue and green, mirrors the skyline and the surrounding deodar and pine forests. As you glide across the surface in a paddle or rowing boat, the calmness of the lake seeps into your soul. The best time to visit Naini Lake is between March and June, and then again from September to November. These months offer clear skies, pleasant weather, and the perfect setting for boating and sightseeing. Monsoons bring charm but can be tricky for outdoor activities. How to reach Nainital? By air, the nearest airport is Pantnagar, about 70 kilometers away. By rail, Kathgodam is the closest railway station, 35 kilometers from Nainital. By road, Nainital is well connected by road to Delhi, Dehradun and other major cities. It's a scenic 6 to 7 hour drive from Delhi. Naini Lake in Nainital is not just a tourist destination, it's a rejuvenating experience. The crisp mountain air, shimmering waters, and vibrant local culture come together to offer a timeless retreat. Whether you're on a family vacation, a honeymoon trip, or a solo escape into nature, Nainital is the perfect hill station destination to find peace, beauty, and connection. Things to do at Naini Lake. Whether you're a nature lover, photographer, adventurer, or someone simply looking for peace, Naini Lake offers a myriad of experiences. 1. Boating in Naini Lake. One of the top activities in Nainital tourism, boating in Naini Lake is an absolute must. From vibrant shikaras to romantic paddle boats, the experience offers panoramic views of the town and hills. 2. Evening walk on the Mall Road. Stroll along the Mall Road that runs parallel to the lake, soaking in the views, shopping for souvenirs, or enjoying hot momos and steaming coffee. 3. Photography and bird watching. The lake is a haven for photographers and bird watchers, especially during early mornings. The soft sunlight, local birds, and floating mist create a dreamlike setting. 4. Visit Naina Devi Temple. Pay your respects at the Naina Devi Temple, a serene spiritual hub that overlooks the lake and offers a moment of reflection amidst your adventures. Tips for travelers. Carry warm clothes, especially during evenings. Hire a local guide for stories and hidden gems. Avoid plastic and maintain the ecological balance of this pristine location. Start your boat ride early to avoid long queues during peak season.